Hey guys, welcome back to Broke Overland. My name is Chad, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different one. We're going to actually take the truck and the dog and the wife, and we're going to go do some camping. Take a little third maiden voyage. We're going to try it out with new drawers. So come on along, if this makes it to the internet. All right, well, we stopped off Clem Safeway, picked up some grub and some wood. Now we're going to head out and try and find ourselves a campsite. I'm going to need you to go ahead and remember this bridge. The tracks you see me following are Roy's. We had him scout out ahead.
10 degrees right. 10 straight.
Suppose I could have stopped and see if you guys wanted to ride.
We'll take the shortcut back. You're going to have to loop down to the other end and then swing back.
Alright, looks like I'm going to be doing some tree trimming down here.
Yeah, I forgot to pay attention to that.
Entering the notorious site for the weekend. Hope we brought our, this is going to be awesome.
I want you to take a look around and remember this image, because in about 8 hours it's very different. We were expected 2 to 3 inches of snow with a warm front to roll in and give us some rain to kind of knock that stuff down. Instead we got a cold front that pushed out and gave us a little extra snowpack. There we are.
Oh, shit.
Home sweet home.
No. Oh, we had some tents die.
Roy's tent collapsed at 3 o'clock in the morning. He was able to get out, crawl into his Jeep, go back to bed. Emma wasn't so lucky. Her tent collapsed at 8 o'clock in the morning, trapping her inside. Luckily enough, Roy was awake and got her out. Since we'd originally had a forecast of 24 hours of rain, we figured we'd better get out of Dodge. I set to the task of packing a track that they could follow out. Unfortunately, nature had other ideas, which we'll get to in a minute, so I had to back my way into the campsite again. So our backup plan, Ben, he was coming out in the morning and he ran into some of his own problems.
Ben sent a message that he got stuck about French Bridge with Wanda. He's digging out, so just FYI.
Okay.
Thank goodness for the skid plate. Yeah, you're right on the snow.
And at this point, it was obvious that we were not going to be packing down the snow enough for them to get out, so we did the logical thing and took the car with the lowest ground clearance and towed it behind the LMTV like a makeshift toboggan. And as I alluded to earlier, nature provided us with something everybody likes to see when they're clawing their way out of the backcountry. Down trees. Lucky for us, it was Roy to the rescue with a nice battery-powered chainsaw.
Fucking Tonka.
You need to buy me one of these.
There you go. You're making dirty in the snow.
Yeah.
Oh. Just a few inches of snow, they said.
I said that.
And by the way, that's they. You guys keep making this look easy. We're not having anything to bitch about later.
A lot of trees down ahead of us, I think.
I don't like your attitude, Chad. Nah, let's save battery for the next tree. We got plenty of space now. Hey there, sweaty beast.
This is where it gets sketchy.
We got this.
Oh, Emma, I hope you have a good skid plate on that Jeep, because I'm dragging you through some shit. Got ourselves a little bit more than a couple inches of snow, which was what was forecasted. We got about 1.5 feet. We're now towing a Jeep behind us out of this awesome freaking snow pile.
It's okay, I can ride on your bumper.
Remember that bridge? Here it is from the other direction. Is it questionable when you're following snowmobile tracks? Yeah, we got a little bit of snow. Thanks, guy. Happy? And with only a couple of plow passes being cut in the fresh snow, once we got to the main road, being 8 feet wide, the drive was no less sketchy.
Oh, don't suck it in. No, I don't want to be sucked in.
But we managed to meet up with the cavalry.
We had to ski Emma out of that place. Oh, dude, it's deep. Like, I slid. Who is that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all right, we'll meet you there.
And this is how we end our camping trip. Our early camping trip.
Yeah.
At the best pizza
Nobody
place
died.
in Roslyn.
Nobody died.
Best
Nobody
pizza
died.
Nobody
place.
got well seriously injured. We did.
We're still
With fire.
We might be less than $1,000 in damage.
No doubt.
Might be. Who said they had somebody that? So I had to bring it home and figure out how to hang it up on the back porch and dry it out.
Good girl. Is that delicious? Is it good?
Actually, that's what I need.
This needs to go on video. What happened, Roy?
Even though I've never done it like this and stuff.
Roy, you should wear it with pride.